There are many ways to share your Canva creations. In this video, we will explore the different options for presenting, sharing, saving, and professionally printing your designs. Let's get started. Let's start with how to easily present designs to students during a learning experience. Presentations can be displayed full screen by tapping Present. Select the type of presentation here and simply press Present to display your design on a screen for students to view. Videos have a play button which allows you to access a full screen view and play audio. Sharing a design for others to see or work on is easy. Open the design that you want to share. Here are the options for sharing. A view-only link is perfect for designs like class newsletters or syllabus presentation. A watch link is ideal for designs including audio or video. Remember that anyone with the link can view or reshare your design. Sharing a design as a template link means anyone with the link can view and use your design as a template. These are perfect for when you want your students to edit their own copy of a design, like a reflection or graphic organizer. You can also easily integrate with your go-to classroom tools like Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams. Once connected, follow the prompts to publish your design to these tools. If your school admin or leaders have been adding a learning management integration, you can seamlessly share designs that way too. Now let's look at how you can save or print your design using your own personal devices. Canva automatically saves your designs as you work, or you can manually save here. If you want to save your design to another location, you can choose here. To download a design, select Share and then Download. Choose a file type in this menu. If your design has multiple pages, select the pages you want to download from this menu. Then when you're ready, click Download. Or you can download selected parts of your design to your device. Choose the portion you want to download by dragging or holding Downshift. Right-click on your selection and press Download Selection. Select the file type you want to download in. Once your selection has downloaded to your device, you can easily send it to your personal printer. Want your design to be professionally printed? Get your designs delivered straight to your doorstep with Canva Print. In the Share menu, hit Print Design. Choose from the variety of print options offered in your location. Follow the steps to prepare your design for print. Once your order has been placed, a pop-up will confirm it, and will also send an order confirmation to your registered email address. Now you're ready to share your Canva designs with the world.